Gorgeous 2-bedroom 2-bath 1-story townhouse located right off of 64 for easy access to Raleigh, Knightdale, Wendell, and more. This home has double crown molding, hardwoods, tile, and carpeted floors. The kitchen boasts granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, and opens to the living room for easy entertaining. The spacious master bedroom features a large walk-in closet and updated bathroom with tile shower. With a 1-car garage, attic space, and closets throughout for great storage.